Alright, Tesla fans, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your Tesla's climate fan speed quickly to keep your cabin comfortable no matter the weather, guys. I have added steps outlined for you at the top left. You can follow along right there. So first up, guys, what you want to do is tap on the fan icon at the bottom of your touchscreen to open the climate control menu. This actually brings up all the options for keeping your cabin at the perfect temperature. And once you are in the climate menu, guys, you want to locate the fan speed slider. So you can either tap on it or swipe left and right to increase or decrease the speed. If you swipe left, you decrease it, and you swipe right, you increase it, okay? So a higher number will actually push more air into the cabin while a lower number will, keeps it gentler and quieter. So a pro tip, guys, you can actually use voice control or voice command. So if you're driving and you want to make quick adjustments, just tap on the right, scroll wheel, and just say set fan speed to desired level. You can say increase fan speed, decrease fan speed, you can say things like that. And Tesla's voice recognition will adjust the fan speed without you even needing to look at the screen. So once you're happy with the fan speed, guys, you can just simply tap anywhere outside the climate menu to close it, and you're all set, guys. And that is it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, I want you to subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.